guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It is a clothing haul, and I've been doing more and more of these because I've been trying to elevate my wardrobe and give you guys a little more of a chic vibe. And so I'm also starting to get into like lifestyle and blogging a little bit, so I definitely want to switch up the look, and that goes with the outfits. So I am bringing you guys some pieces today from Pretty Little Thing. This is actually my first time ordering from them. I've seen them on the market for a long time, and I've seen, you know, clothing hauls with their stuff, but I've never ordered from them. So I wanted to go ahead and give it a try today. I am pretty pleased with some of the pieces. Some of the pieces I ended up sending back, but let's just go through it and I'll give you guys my thoughts and opinions about my first order from Pretty Little Thing. Before we get started, make sure you guys do one thing for me. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me, because I got a lot of good stuff coming on the channel and I don't want you guys to miss out on any of this content. Right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. We can start with the first piece that I'm rocking right now. This is a crop top. It kind of has like a scalloped look. It does have a wrapped piece here and it's stitched down. So it's kind of like a crisscross with some gathers and a statement sleeve. So it does have the puff statement sleeve. This is probably better with like your hair up. Yeah, I think this is actually better with your hair up. So this is what the top is given. Yeah, you definitely need your hair up for this. This is a very, very chic and beautiful top. It does zip in the back. It's sort of like a stiff cotton or polyester type of material. So the top is very structured and the neckline is very structured, you all. Like, it's definitely structured and it's tight. So just know that you need to get this top in your correct size, otherwise it'll probably choke you to death. I'm kidding, but no, really, make sure you get it in the right size. But as far as the fit, I think it's pretty great. It's not super tight at the bottom. I almost wish like maybe it was a little, it's tighter at the neck than it is at the bottom. So I wish maybe it was a little tighter at the bottom, but overall it's fine. It does have an exposed silver zipper. Is it silver? Yes, it does have an exposed silver zipper. I almost wish that it was like black, but it's all good. I definitely paired this with a pair of Zara shorts in the video. I gave you guys a full styling video on this one. I know sometimes in my hauls I just give you guys like a try on and I don't style the looks, but in this haul I did go ahead and style the looks from top to bottom. I showed you how I would wear these looks out, either on a date or for a photo shoot or to dinner or whatever. So definitely let me know, you guys, which way you like these videos best. Do you prefer just a try on, just show you the clothes, how they look and how they fit, or do you prefer seeing how I would style the looks, like from top to bottom with shoes, bag, top, shorts, like everything, how I would wear it if I'm going out? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I would be very curious to know. So this piece is definitely a yes. I absolutely love this piece and I definitely kept it. The next piece is this bodysuit. It's an off the shoulder bodysuit. It does have elastic at the top, and the great thing about this is that it has elastic, but it also has this silicone that grips the skin so it doesn't fall down. It has these details in the front and it has the puff sleeve, and then it has a skirt to match. You guys, I was not crazy about the fit of that skirt at all. It was giving me cheap. It was giving me the hem is unstable. It looked like the stitching was off. The skirt was like pulling to the side. There was just so many things wrong with the skirt. I couldn't even really figure out how to put it on. I've seen so many girls rocking this outfit that I was like, I need to have this outfit, but you guys, it was definitely not a cute look for me. I don't know if I got the wrong size. I believe maybe I should have gotten a size smaller, but even still, I think those issues would be there. I don't know. I'm not willing to risk it to order it again. I've I've seen girls wearing this outfit and it looks absolutely lovely and breathtaking in photos, but I think in real life it's just not so much. Tell me what you guys think. Have you seen people rocking that look, and like, what do you think? Like, in person, I just feel like it's a no, and it's definitely reading cheap. This is a cigarette pants and button down top look. Love these cigarette pants. They fit amazing. They have pockets, which you cannot deny. Anything with pockets is a go. I love the elastic waistband, you guys. I typically do not, but I love it in this. And I love that the pants are a real drawstring. Sometimes it's like a faux drawstring, but no, these are real. Love the comfort of these pants. These pants are so comfortable. I literally am gonna go back and buy more of these cigarette pants button down shirt looks from Pretty Little Thing, because it's genius, it's comfortable, it's thoughtless. You don't have to think about putting together an outfit. The outfit already matches and goes, and you will look amazing. Just grab it and put it on. Love that. The color palette of this, all the shades that I love, green, browns, earth tones, love it. This is a nice long top. You can wear it with the pants, you can wear it with shorts, you can wear it all types of different ways. You can tie it up in the front, you can tuck it into your pants. Love a good button down that's good quality and just floats on the body so nicely, and this is definitely one of those tops. This is made out of like a crinkly crepe material, not too crinkly, but just like a textured crepe, and I love that. I'm definitely a fabric snob, so I love any fabric that has texture, color, and looks rich and like luxe, and you know, they're doing that well. For my first order from Pretty Little Thing, I'm definitely impressed with the fabrics. Then we have this sheer top. I absolutely love this top. As you can see, I've definitely put it in the dry cleaners already. Love this top. This down here is just like a faux detailing. It doesn't really add to the functionality, it just adds to the look. This top is so perfect. It's so versatile. I've worn it in so many different ways already. I usually just pair it with a bra underneath, and not like a crop top or anything, just a bra underneath, like a usually I'll do a Savage Fenty strapless bra, and I'll just make sure that the strapless bra matches whatever I'm wearing. So I have all the different colors of the Fenty strapless. If you don't have the mesh Savage Fenty strapless bra, what are you doing? Like, that strapless bra is so fire. I absolutely love it, and I have it in every single color. It comes in a beige, it comes in a chocolate brown. The chocolate brown is everything, y'all. And then it also comes in black, and then you can also get it in like a bluish, lacy bluish shade, and then an orange. So I wore this with blue shorts, wore it with the blue Savage Fenty strapless bra, and it was so beautiful with blue shorts. Maybe I'm blue strappy sandals. I'll try to put it in here so you can see how I styled that. Very, very beautiful. Love the sleeves on this. It's just the little details, right? Like the little frill at the top, the ruffle on the sleeve, the slight ruching around here, and then this. It's just a really beautiful top that I know I'll get lots and lots of wear out of, and already have. The last piece that I'm not going to show you guys because I actually sent it back is the orange dress. It was like a rust orange dress, and I just felt like it was ill-fitting and didn't. It was just reading cheap to me, so I wasn't crazy about it. But maybe if I got in a smaller size, I don't know, something about it was just off. I don't know what it is about Pretty Little Thing. This first order, like, everything was either a yes hit or an absolute hell no miss. There was like nothing in between. Usually I have like some in-between pieces, like it's okay, but you know, I'll keep it. But these pieces were like no, 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 or yes, 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 yes. I don't know if you guys have ever ordered from a store like that, and I think that's how Pretty Pretty Little thing is for me. Either it's going to be a yes or a total miss. Let me know what you guys think about the looks that I gave you guys. Let me know if you prefer just a straight up try on the clothes and give my opinion, or if you like to see how I would style these pieces with the shoes, the bag, the whole 9 yards. Let me know. If you guys are loving this hair, I do have a tutorial up on it, and yeah, you can just check my channel. These are crochets. These are not individuals, they're crochets, and they are available on Amazon Prime, actually. So if you like this look, then definitely check on my channel. You can look in the crochet tutorial playlist, or you can just look back through my most recent videos and it should be there. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed and you turn on your post notifications. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram, where you see up-to-date, in the moment things that I'm doing and working on, so you're never in the dark. And thank you. I love that you guys are here and you're still rocking with me after all this time on this channel, and you guys are like seeing the elevation. Let's keep it going, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Share this video with a friend. Share this video with a clothing haul lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.